Okay, so my dear friends, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before investing your money. Thank you. Stop chasing hyped up tech stocks that are trading at absolute record valuations. Right now, Wall Street is obsessed with a few popular names, but chasing hype is the easiest way to buy high and get burned. My focus is entirely different: price versus value. In the short run, the stock market is just a voting machine based on popularity. But in the long run, it's a weighing machine based on real profits. Today, I am revealing my personal magnificent 7 smart undervalued business that the market is completely missing. First on my list is Ulta Beauty. It is the largest beauty retailer in the US with over 44 million loyalty numbers. Beauty products are highly recession resistant and with their strong margins. Analysts expect a solid 13% annual return. Second is Southwest Airlines. People get nervous about airlines, but Southwest is a massive cash machine. Their profit margins are recovering aggressively, and they just added fast gate-to-gate Starlink Wi-Fi. Analysts expect a potential 23.5% annualized return from today's prices. Third is PayPal. The market has been attending its wake for years, but the free cash flow is incredibly real and the management is buying back cheap shares hand over fist. Fourth is China's e-commerce giant Alibaba. The stock pulled back 50% due to geopolitical noise, but it serves 1.4 billion people and generates $21 billion a year in free cash flow. Fifth is Adobe. People are terrified that AI will kill Adobe, but they are actually integrating top AI models directly into Photoshop and Premiere. Analysts expect a massive 25% return potential here. The sixth stock is Nike. It has global brand moat that you simply can't copy overnight. The stock has crashed 80% from its peak, but they just reported earnings showing that they stopped dumping inventory at massive discounts, pushing gross profits up to 49%. The final stock is Sprouts Farmers Market. This is a specifically organic grocery chain. Unlike typically grocery stores that make 1% profit margins, Sprouts makes near 5% to 6% because of their personal store brands. They cost $3 million to open and bring a steady 20% return on capital once stabilized. The goal of this channel is not to just hand you a random stock tip. The goal is to teach you a solid discipline process so you can sleep beautifully at night. I don't buy what is popular this month. I buy top quality businesses with high returns on capital when they go on sale. If you want to stop guessing and start investing based on actual math, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment on which of these 7 stocks you own.